Was drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Farmhouse Chic Style. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you've watched my previous video, welcome back. Today's video is going to be on our latest project, which is the main bathroom. So come on inside and let's do a quick tour of the house, the rest of the projects we did. If you have seen the previous video, then you're familiar with my home. If you haven't, this will just give you a quick view of everything that we've done. If you want a more detailed description of the different projects we did and how we achieved the different looks, definitely look at the first video where I go more into detail with everything. But today we're just gonna kind of skim through the house just to give you a feel for the vibe we were trying to achieve, and then we'll head upstairs and look at the main bathroom, our latest project. Really love the way everything came together. We bought this house a year ago. It's our first and forever home. It's a 1932 Dutch colonial. I love the character of the home. It's also a Sears catalog home. So it's historical, and one day I think I'll do a video about that because it's pretty unique, and I generally just love this house. This is the kitchen, was my first real big project that I did in the home. I'm really proud of it. I painted all these cabinets and the walls and everything myself in that project, so it definitely holds a special place in my heart. I also love the way, even though it's an older home, it kind of is an open floor plan, because from the family room that we're in now, you can look at the dining room, the living room. All right, so now we're gonna head upstairs. And this is my family wall. I love that is the first thing I see in the morning when I wake up and head downstairs. And this is the master bedroom. We still have one more project to do in here, which will be the master closet. That'll be a future video. And the kids' rooms I'm not going to go into today because there's more stuff that I want to do in there. I did show it in the first video though. So this is from the previous owner's listing pic. This is what the bathroom pretty much looked like, minus their stuff. This is when we first painted, and I was like, oh my God, because I thought it was really dark. We took down the medicine cabinet, and there was an insert from an older medicine cabinet and two sconce inserts, which pretty much killed my idea of what I initially wanted to do. As you can see, the corner right here was bare. Later we put shelving there. And here it goes, drum roll. This is the project, our main bathroom. When you first walk in, you see the awesome metal art that I got off a Facebook Marketplace. Score. It was awesome find. Love it. It's amazing. It's nice heavy metal wall art, and I just love the way the green color comes through it. It's just really nice. Really happy with it. And then that hamper we got from Amazon as well. I thought it was a different color in the picture, so I wasn't really happy with the gold hues when it came, but I'm okay with it now. So when you turn the corner here, of course I had to inject a little bit of my personality. Love these lace curtains I found from Amazon. Close up, they actually have a little bit of a shimmer to them, which is nice. I love the way the light reflects through the curtains. The shower curtain was a project. Love the way that came out. I was going for like a boho cottage vibe. I found that my tastes are starting to change a little bit as time goes on. So you'll kind of see throughout the house a transition from like farmhouse to cottage, and now more of a boho cottage. So I'm a little bit eclectic with my design choices, but it still all flows together in my opinion. that light fixture was already here, and it pretty much set the tone for the rest of the house or the rest of the bathroom, I should say, because it had the crystal and the chrome. So when I painted the existing vanity, I painted it white using this really awesome Nouveau paint that I also use for the kitchen cabinets. I love it. It's an amazing kit, and not too many people know about it, but it's awesome. But I did go for crystal and chrome pulls to work with the existing light fixture, and I think it really goes well together. The sink top we bought new, and the faucet we brought new, again going with the chrome to go with the light fixture and everything. It also kept it budget friendly rather than trying to change everything out, keeping some of the existing pieces where there was nothing wrong with them. They just really needed some updating. Really cut down on the cost. Keeping the existing medicine cabinet. Initially, I was going to go with a round mirror, but when I saw those 3 holes there, I couldn't find anything that covered the holes length and width-wise. It just made sense to just keep the medicine cabinet. Nothing was wrong with it. So these 3 shelves, though, I did get those from Amazon. My husband put them up for me. I wanted just to add a little character to the bathroom, and I thought this little nook here was a perfect place to put some displays as well as some useful things. It's not all just pretty, but those baskets actually hold hair ties and clips for my girls, and the glass jars are obviously for cotton, Q-tip, things that we use in the bathroom on a regular basis. These 2 pictures here, I've gotten so many questions on my different Facebook groups about them. It was a project. So I wanted artwork economically, and I knew kind of what I wanted. So I got inspired by these 2 pictures that I saw online, and I draw, so I was able to mimic the pictures somewhat, and then inject my colors that I needed. Then I took a picture of the pictures I sketched on my phone so I could upload it to walmart.com and have them print out the 8x10s on matte paper for me. And I bought these pressed flower frames right from Amazon with the chain and everything. And I put the pictures inside the pressed flower frames, and I love the way they came out. They matched the silk flowers that I got and arranged off of Amazon, and everything just tied together nicely. That pitcher and bowl is Magnolia, and then the smaller pitcher that was on the shelves is from Magnolia. The pitcher and bowl did not come together. It was a separate bowl, I guess meant to be used differently, and I just thought the pitcher looked nice inside of it, so I put that together. The hooks are just rope hooks. That's an interesting story too, because I got these really cool old-fashioned nails that I was going to use to hang it, and I didn't realize that wall is the chimney that goes up to my walk-up attic. So the nails kept bending. And then my husband came home and I asked him to hang it, and he was like, it's not going through, bib. And then we realized the reason why. So I had to get rope hooks that could be glued. It's like you could do it, hang it 2 ways, where you either screw it in or glue it. And so that's why we use those rope hooks. But now I'm happy with them. I think they look better than the nails that I was going to use. So happy accident. This bathroom was definitely a challenge. That vanity I thought was a typical vanity, but it wasn't. The width was different than what they have available in stores now. So that's why we couldn't get the fancy different countertops that I was looking at. We ended up going with this one, but now I kind of love the way it looked. But it was a challenge. We went to a couple of different stores. We ordered one that we had to return, and then we went to Lowe's, and finally at Home Depot we found only one. We didn't even have choices. It was just that one or nothing. So Again, this is another view of the bathroom, going around, turning to the other side. And here is a before and after of the vanity. And then this is the bathroom with the carpet down. I don't keep it down all the time because I have a cat and it's crocheted and would be a shredded mess if I left it down all the time. Plus I have kids, it would be filthy. So just put it down when we get out of the shower and then hang it back up. The signs, as I said, I got from Etsy, from my friend. Her shop's name I think is Pink Silo. I don't know if I said that already, but I'm going to look it up and link it in the comments because, again, she's amazing. She does great work. And my husband did an awesome job on these floors. The floors were originally from downstairs, our downstairs project, because we had original hardwoods in most of the living area, but the kitchen and the family room addition did not. So we did the luxury plank for vinyl plank flooring down there, and we had some left over that we used in the bathroom. The rack on the back of the door, that I got from Facebook Marketplace, but it came in a Mainstays box, so you could probably get it from there. And again, this is just another angle of the bathroom. It's a small room, but I think the redo really made it look bigger. It moves your eye around the room to all the different spaces, in my opinion. And you'll notice I put the big mirror on the other side. It used to be a black mirror and I painted it white. Got that a couple of years ago from Facebook Marketplace also. But I think having the mirror on the other side opposite the window definitely expands the place, and it bounces the light from one side of the room to the other in the daytime. Also, what I really love about having the mirror there is you don't have to comb your hair over the sink. It gives a different place for me to get ready in the morning than over the sink where, yeah. Anyone with curly hair knows that's not a good idea to comb your hair over a sink. But anyway, I digress. Yeah, I really am proud of the way everything came out. I'm proud of my husband and I on our teamwork. All of this was first for him as far as installing the sink top and installing the flooring. So I'm really proud of him for that and putting up those floating shelves. I had some questions about people asking about the rack and the mirror hitting each other. Normally there is a litter box in that corner, hence the pet door. The litter box acts as the perfect door stopper. So anyway, this is the paint that I used for the walls. I've gotten a lot of questions in regards to that. And this is the kit that I used for the vanity. I can't say enough good things about this Nouveau paint. Again, I used it for my kitchen as well. And yeah, this is just some pictures now of the bathroom. And yeah, I can't say enough how proud I am of my husband. We did such a good job working together. And the downstairs bathroom I'll make a little more masculine for him. I admit this one's a little more towards the feminine side. But thank you for visiting, guys. I hope you liked what we've done. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, have a blessed day. Bye.